went back on that, so yes.
The United States is the largest provider of humanitarian assistance. And as we have done in the past in Iran, when they face a crisis, the American people have reached out to the Iranian people to offer assistance. Unfortunately, the regime rejected this offer of assistance to help them close some of the gaps that they may be facing as they're trying to manage the epidemic. So we will continue to stand with the Iranian people and hope that the regime accepts our sincere offer. Provided by the Iranian people, and so we don't. But we had asked the regime to identify for us what their needs are and what kind of gaps that they're concerned that they have in their system. And then the regime would let us know what it needs, and then we would look and see if we could provide it. But we provided it very early on. The regime kept the coronavirus, they kept it secret for some time from their own people. And so has Special Representative Hook. And so, unfortunately, the regime is not transparent with its own people. We have called on the regime to cooperate fully with the World Health Organization, which leads the multilateral community on healthcare delivery, which we think is important. And so this is something which America regularly does, and the regime regularly rejects our offers, which is too bad. And today there are 5 Americans that are being wrongfully detained in Iran. We are very concerned with the coronavirus outbreak, that it could have spread to the prisons where Americans are being held. I know that other European countries who also have detainees in Iran are very concerned about the risk of contracting coronavirus for their citizens and their dual citizens in Iran. We have asked for the regime to release on medical furlough all the Americans who are currently detained in Iran.
And?
We are waiting to see if they will be released.
You know, they're certainly the biggest and most organized. What is your relationship to
These talks are sensitive. We work through the Swiss government, but we have been able to make this request, and I know from my talks here with the E3 that there is a lot of concern. Any government that has somebody wrongfully detained in an Iranian prison naturally is concerned about the coronavirus. And so we hope that they'll be released on medical furlough.